Welcome to Lyall Point, and I'm always talking about waterfront being a way of life. Well, this is a completely different way of life. It's boat access only, and it's totally off-grid. Let me show you around. Hey guys, so today we are on Lyall Point, and you might have seen the video on lot 11. We are actually now on the other side of the peninsula on lot 6. So this is the northwest facing side. It's got the really nice gravel beach. You get some really nice west exposure in the evening, and we're right beside the boat ramp, which is about 15 minutes across to the dock at the Secret Beach Campground, where there is also a boat launch. So great way to access this property. And I think we're just going to head up into the inland here and take a look at the back of the property, and then we'll take you down in the front and we'll look at that. But yeah, we'd love to get you out here. The biggest question I get asked is, how do I access this? Well, you head out from Port Alberni, about halfway to the junction between Ucluelet and Tofino. There's a turn off to Secret Beach. You head down there and you can launch your boat there, and it's about a 15-minute run across to here. And the cool thing about this property is that boat ramp there. So you could actually, if you had a rough day here, which does occur from time to time, you could pull your boat out and leave it on land and launch it again when you're ready to go back out again. So this road that we're on right now goes from the boat ramp, and it goes right up between the middle of the lots. So there'll be lot 6 on one side, and then the other one that I sold, lot 11, directly opposite it. And this is a nice way to access the back of your lot if you decide you want to put a structure up there or something like that. And of course, we're on the west coast here, so there's tons of water. I'm personally building in an area that doesn't have a well, and we're doing rainwater collection. That would be a really good option here. But there are a lot of really nice marshy areas, so likely you could dig a well and be successful as well. So in case you're not already interested in this property because of these things, obviously Barclay Sound is a great spot to fish, kayak. You've got the Broken Group just out in front of us here. And we actually put some crab traps down today before we came across to shoot the property. So lots of fun recreation in the summertime and surfing in the winter.